Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to wake up with Spotify music. So without further ado, let's start. So now what you're going to do is go to your web browser and then search for how to wake up with Spotify music. And then you'll see this option, how to use Spotify as alarm. Just tap on that. It will then direct you here. Now scroll down and there you'll see the step-by-step process on how you can make Spotify your alarm. So the first one is to open the Google Clock app and then go to the alarm page. Next, tap the plus button and then you can create new alarm. And then, tap the sound icon and swipe over to the Spotify tab. Next, press the connect icon to access your Spotify account on the app. After that, select a playlist or alarm from Spotify or search a specific track to set as a clock sound. That's it! Thank you for watching!